Now the final part of this is to create a calculation view which will then serve as our cube if we do the analysis in Lumira. So we start this by creating a new package, and let's call that package Twitter load, so that we don't have too many files in one directory. Create. And in that package we create a new calculation view, and we call it calculation view for VD, which is fine. It is a cube, and please, with a start join, we don't need to work on the dimensions, and please add your participants number here. Good. And do it like this. CV4 VD30. Yes, that's fine. Good. Okay. Now here we have the start join. We have done this before. Please add a projection. Create projection. Okay. Good. Now the projection should or must refer to our sentiment table we just created and we cleaned if needed. So let's use the transaction, the text analysis table here, and just do a start join here. Okay, that is fine. Let's close that to have a little bit more space. Let's do the mapping. So what we need in the output columns is the ID. We want to have the language of the token. We want, of course, the token as such, and the token type. That is all we need for our analysis. That is fine. And then we need to add a filter expression. Okay. You find the filter expression on Moodle. Why do we need that? We just want to have the transaction types, or the text analysis types, sorry, minor problem, major problem, sentiments. We don't want other things like country and person and you name it. So just copy and paste that here, and then you see that should be the statement. The filter is we only want to transfer data rows to the cube which have the following transaction types. Okay, that is fine. Now we go forward to the start join. Here we go. Okay. We don't have anything to do here because that is all fine. The mapping, we add all of this to the semantics output. Okay, that is good. We have the ID here, which is a key, fine, language token and type. And let's go to semantics, and we need to make sure that we have ID on the ID, and all of this stuff must be an attribute. Okay, so this is the ID, and we have three attributes: language token and token type. Very good. Aggregation is sum, so whenever we do something on this, we want to, well, not sum, but count. That is important. It doesn't make any sense to sum IDs, so we want to count because we want to see how many positive, negative, and maybe neutral terms we have. Okay, maybe we clear the console, then we are ready. Let's save this. That is fine. Now let's run it. And then we should see what we expected. We have IDs, we have language, we have the token, that is the term that was identified in the tweet, and we have the transaction type. Now here we have 50 rows, and that is enough to do the analysis then in Lumira. That's fine. Okay, so please perform the final step in Lumira as it is described in the documents on Moodle, or maybe there is another video.